जय हिंद दोस्तों।
As this corona pandemic is happening all over the world, I was surfing the internet watching my favorite anime and cartoon shows.
That's what all of you are?
I also told you I'm your master.
My life as a normal human guy is over? We're gonna win this. Yeah, you're damn right we are.
Then suddenly I came across this.
ম্যাডাম ম্যাডাম আমার খুব ভয় করছে, প্লিজ বাঁচান আমাকে। ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে, শান্ত শান্ত।
Just kidding, not this. This is the real deal. This episode of Simpson is known as Wizard of the Evergreen Terrace. The title is play on Wizard of Menlo Park, aka the nickname of Thomas Edison. This episode focuses on Homer's determination to follow in Edison's footsteps. But today we will focus what was written on the blackboard. The first equation on the board predicts the mass of a boson particle. If you put the values of Planck's constant, speed of light and gravitational constant, then you will find the mass as 775 gigaelectron volts, which is substantially higher than the original, which is 125 gigaelectron volt. So put H as 6.626 multiplies 10 to the power minus 3 meter square kg second inverse. C as and gravitational constant G as 6.674 into 10 to the power minus 11, I think, meter cube kg inverse. Okay, nevertheless the value 775 isn't a bad guess for a children's show like Simpson. Let's put the second equation aside and see the third one. This concerns the density of the universe, which implies the fate of universe. As delta T0 is bigger than 1 initially, which is written by Homer, the universe will eventually implode under its own weight. Later, Homer changes the equation to lesser than sign. Cosmologically, which suggests that the universe will expand forever. The fourth line on the blackboard is a series of 4 mathematical diagrams which shows a donut transforming into a sphere. This line relates to an area of mathematics which is called topology, which sometimes refer as rubber sheet geometry. In topology, the letter A and R are homeomorphic. As A has one loop and two legs. Also, R also has one loop and two legs. Because A drawn on a rubber sheet can be transformed into R by careful stretching. However, no amount of stretching can transform A into H, as H doesn't have any loop, and in topology you cannot cut anything. You can just stretch. The principles of rubber sheet geometry can also be extended into 3 dimensions. But unfortunately, you cannot cut a donut to make a sphere. In topology, a donut and a cup is homeomorphic. But it is a proven mathematical theorem that a donut is not homeomorphic to a sphere. So we can say it homeromorphic. as Homer did this on his blackboard. The second line is the most interesting line for me because it contradicts Fermat's last theorem. So, Fermat said in his last theorem that this cannot be equal for n greater than greater equals to 3. This cannot happen for n greater equals to 3. So why does Homer write this? Because if you put, so we can say Homer's equation is so called a near miss solution for Fermat's last theorem. So friends, if you like this, please hit the thumbs up button and please do subscribe to see more contents like this. Thank you.